Imagine an ecosystem teeming with life, not in a rainforest, but inside your own body. Trillions of bacteria, viruses, and fungi live in our digestive tract, forming the gut microbiome. Once thought of as mere passengers, these microbes are now recognized as key players in our health. They help digest food, train our immune system, and even influence how we respond to medicine. Each person's microbiome is unique, shaped by genetics, diet, and environment. This individuality may explain why people respond differently to the same treatments. The gut microbiome acts like a personal garden. When it thrives, so do we. Scientists now see it as a genetic powerhouse, producing compounds that interact with our bodies and medicines. Understanding this microbial fingerprint could unlock why some cancer therapies succeed for some, but not others. As Professor Mohamed El-Tanani notes, we can't treat patients without considering their microbial world. Chemotherapy's effectiveness may depend not just on the drug or tumor, but on the interplay with our inner microbes. This new perspective is shifting medicine from a simple two-way interaction to a complex, three-way conversation. The secrets of our gut microbiome could revolutionize cancer care. Why does the same chemotherapy work wonders for one patient but not another? Traditional factors, tumor genetics, health, age, don't tell the whole story. The missing piece may be the gut microbiome. Research shows that gut bacteria can profoundly influence chemotherapy's effectiveness. These microbes act as hidden chemists, breaking down drugs and altering their impact. The microbiome can change how much active drug reaches the tumor, how long it stays, and whether it becomes more toxic or less effective. To understand chemotherapy response, we must see the patient as a superorganism, human cells plus a vast microbial community. This holistic view, championed by Professor El-Tanani, is reshaping oncology. The health and diversity of our internal ecosystem could be as critical as the cancer itself. It's a paradigm shift that's changing how we fight cancer. The gut microbiome shapes chemotherapy through three main mechanisms. First, direct drug metabolism. Bacteria can break down drugs, making them less effective or more toxic. Second, immune system modulation. Certain gut bacteria help prime the immune system, boosting the body's attack on cancer after chemotherapy. Third, microbiome diversity. Patients with a richer variety of gut bacteria often experience fewer side effects and recover faster. A healthy microbiome helps maintain the gut barrier, reducing inflammation and aiding recovery. Not all bacteria are helpful. Some may hinder treatment or worsen side effects. The specific bacteria, drug, and patient biology all matter. Professor El-Tanani's research highlights the need to understand these precise interactions. The goal isn't just to add good bacteria, but to tailor the microbiome for each patient and treatment. This complexity is why microbiome research is so vital to the future of cancer therapy. The right microbial balance could mean the difference between success and failure. Our inner ecosystem is a powerful ally or obstacle in cancer care. Lab discoveries are paving the way for microbiome-based cancer care. Soon, doctors may use microbiome profiling to personalize treatment. A simple stool sample could reveal how a patient might respond to specific chemotherapy drugs. Oncologists could then select therapies that work best with each patient's microbial profile. If needed, the microbiome could be adjusted, using targeted probiotics or even fecal transplants to improve outcomes. These interventions could become standard, priming patients for better responses and fewer side effects. But caution is crucial. This science is still young. Patients should never self-prescribe probiotics or make drastic changes without medical guidance. The wrong bacteria could interfere with treatment or worsen side effects. Rigorous research and clinical trials are needed to turn these discoveries into safe, effective protocols. The promise is immense, but safety must come first. We're entering a new era in cancer treatment, one that sees the patient as a complex ecosystem. The gut microbiome is now a central player in cancer therapy, not just a footnote. By working with our inner microbes, we can unlock more effective and less toxic treatments. Supporting the microbiome can boost therapy power and protect patients from harsh side effects. Researchers like Professor El-Tanani are leading the way, unraveling the dialogue between microbes, immunity, and cancer drugs. Collaboration across fields will help us tailor treatments to each patient's unique biology. The journey into our gut microbiome is transforming cancer care into a truly personalized endeavor. The next leap in oncology is treating not just the tumor, but the whole, life-sustaining ecosystem within.